Since its foundation in 1966, Guascor has passed through a number of different stages. With determination and hard work, the company has developed a product grounded on its own technology, which today holds a recognized position on international markets in over 40 countries. In the early days, Guascor was best known for its marine engines, used on fishing boats, tuna ships, and even large tankers, tugs, cargo ships, dredgers, and other vessels. As time went by, it expanded to meet the needs of other markets, particularly for industry. In 1988, it began developing gas engines, followed in 1992 by engines run by biogas. Essential milestones included the application of combined heat and power, or CHP, distributed generation in remote areas, and more recently, the development of renewable and bioenergy. Over the last 40 years and more, the Guascor product has been developed at our Research and Development Center in Mignano. With 12,000 square meters, 130,000 square feet of floor space, the facility has the most advanced installations, infrastructure, human resources and technology, unrivaled by any other engine manufacturer in Europe. As a result, it has developed a wide and very competitive product range, offering the highest performance in diesel and gas engines. For the engine manufacturing phase, Guascor has a 5,000 square meter, 54,000 square foot manufacturing center in Sumaya. Guascor engines are characterized by their high performance, accessibility, availability, and their simple and economic maintenance guidelines. The company is also known for its flexibility in the scope of supply and its excellent delivery times, making Guascor engines a highly competitive product. The center has a number of areas for assembly, applications, a containerized and dispatch area. Guascor has a worldwide distribution network for its products. It currently has distributors and subsidiaries in over 40 countries, and a network of workshops to meet maintenance needs and supply spare parts. These local technicians receive continuous specialist training in R&D to ensure they perform their work to the highest standards of professionalism. The net result is that the Guascor product has grown in terms of sales and turnover, conquering new markets, in many of which the sector was previously unrepresented. Guascor continues to develop, working on future engine ranges that will offer greater power and better performance in terms of efficiency, consumption, emissions, maintenance guidelines, and so on, using different fuels for different regimes and applications. To achieve these developments, a series of complex processes are being completed on test beds at the R&D center. The result will be a new range of engines specifically designed for each application to meet the most demanding needs of the market. Guascor's aim is to invest in study and continuous improvement, and it's working unceasingly to manufacture the most complete and competitive product with the best tools at its disposition. Guascor has brought energy to remote villages, providing people there with light, heat, and well-being. It has also provided the energy to heat the water and the air needed in our hotels, schools, universities, hospitals, and homes, and keep the cold at bay. It's brought energy to ships sailing the high seas and fishing the tuna that will grace our fish shops in the morning. And it's created energy from the organic waste matter we generate in our homes and from livestock and forestry residues. In its quest for a better, more sustainable world, Guascor is adding major value in the development of energy sources that are as clean and ecological as possible, and doing its utmost to cut atmospheric emissions to a minimum. Guascor looks forward to a future of balance among people, of respect, solidarity and generosity, and it tries to convey this message in its everyday work. Guascor is tireless in its quest to improve your satisfaction and well-being. The well-being of the Earth.